Hey everybody, Dan here with Danny Murphy and Associates at First Team Real Estate. We are coming to you in mid-November. We are headed towards the holidays like a freight train. Hopefully everybody had a good Halloween. Kind of interesting, we're post-election now. Last week we did a video and a lot has changed, right? So I think there's a lot more clarity, whether you agree or like or dislike, whatever the situation is. Prior to the elections, there was a lot of people wondering what was going to happen. Would we have a contested election? And so now there's clarity at least. And I think what that will do is that's going to be helpful for the real estate market, at least here locally and probably nationally as well. So I think people feel comfortable that we at least know where we're headed come January. Again, whether you agree with it or not is irrelevant. I think that people have a level of confidence now that they can conduct big transactions in a house, and buying and selling a house is obviously a big transaction. And so I think that that's going to we've already seen sort of a stabilizing in the market, even though November, December tends to be a quieter period of time in the real estate market here locally. We see less homes on the market, less buyers out there. It's just a more quiet time. We have seen things kind of stabilize a little bit in the last week. And people are definitely out buying. So I always tell our buyers, this is a great time to be out, because sellers that have their house on the market right now, they're serious about selling, all right? If their house is on the market during Thanksgiving and Christmas and all the holidays, they want to get their house sold. So if you're a serious buyer, I always like being out with our clients right now. But again, on the sell side, not a lot of inventory. We're at about 3,500 homes for sale on the market right now in Orange County. Normally we're closer to 5,000 pre-pandemic. So a lot of missing inventory. We do think there's a lot of forecasts coming out now, and so forecast is for about 2.5% to 3% price appreciation in 2025. The forecast is for about a 15% increase in volume. So 15% more homes will come on the market and be sold in 2025 per the forecast. We think that the forecast is that interest rates will come down. I think it's going to be slower than a lot of people think. I've been saying that all along, that I thought the Fed would be lowering rates more slowly than people were thinking a year ago, and that's what's happened. We'll probably get another 25 basis point cut here in December, but that's already factored into mortgage rates, which are now 6.75, 7%-ish. So probably won't see a big decline in mortgage rates, but I think there's downward pressure on them hopefully here over the next 6 to 12 months. I think that'll help buyers with affordability. I think we'll see more sellers wanting to get out there and make their moves. There's been a lot of pent-up desire to sell. Normally about 10% of homeowners want to sell their house every year. That's more like 35% right now. So there's a lot of people that have been waiting on the sidelines because they have really low interest rates. And I think as rates come down a little bit, I think people will start transacting in 2025. So reach out to us if you want to talk about market trends and what's happening out there in the market. We're here to help. We're here to be a resource to you. If you need service providers, if you need valuations on your home or ideas on improvements where you get the most bang for your buck, we're here to help you. So reach out anytime. Thanks.